Good morning. Welcome back to Split Life Productions. My name is Nate, and this is your morning reaction. All right, so we got new reflections. There are new songs, Cicada. This came out a month ago, so I'm behind. Yay. Another Minnesota band. Let's go. Let's just jump right into it. Here we go. Blah, blah. Here we go. Whoa! What? Huh? Hold on, what's going on? What the heck? Hold on, let's back that up. I gotta hear that intro again. That was so cool. That was so cool. Oh. What? What the? Oh my God. This is so nasty. Oh, oh my God. I'm dumbfounded by this. Why did I miss this song? How did I miss this song? Holy crap. That was I'm only 40 seconds in. I'm just dumbstruck by this. Holy crap. Could your guitars get any lower? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Ah! Oh my God. Holy. Just like, oh my God. This is. Huh. I'm literally speechless. Oh my Lord. The rhythms, everything about it, even everything is just insane. Insane. Huh. It's literally like, how is your guitars going that low? Seriously. Oh, come on. Good Lord. Oh my God. Oh My God, that was insane. That was absolutely insane. Like, holy crap. I've got no words. I literally have no words. It's disgustingly heavy in a good way. In a good way. I'm dumbstruck. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think, you know? And, you know, hit that like and subscribe button and the notification bell. And, you know, go to our Patreon page where you can watch any blocked reaction videos, because that's where you're going to see them all. Anyway, we'll see you in the next video. Have a good rest of your morning. See ya.